Is your creative flow being blocked by a Creative Cloud app that just won't open? Let's get you unstuck with some easy fixes, starting with a simple restart first. Close the Creative Cloud app if it's seemingly open, then restart your computer. This often clears up temporary glitches. If that didn't work, let's try a force quit on a Mac. You can use the force quit applications menu on Windows. Open the Task Manager, locate any Adobe Creative Cloud processes, and then end these tasks afterwards. Try reopening the Creative Cloud app. Still not working? It might be a problem with the Creative Cloud app itself. Try updating it sometimes. This is all it takes. Open the app if you can from the app, click Updates. If it won't open, follow the next step. If you cannot update the app, let's check your internet connection. A spotty internet connection will make this app not load. Try a different network and then restart the app. If none of these strategies work, it might be necessary to reinstall the Creative Cloud desktop app completely from the Start menu or taskbar. Uninstall the app, then visit the Adobe website and re-download the app. Ensure the app is compatible with your computer. Hopefully, one of these steps got your Creative Cloud back up and running smoothly. Now you can head back to creating without any issues.